back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. As you can see, I have few packages over here from Stalk by Love. So I have around 6 pieces of 5. I'll show you. So basically it's a Stalk by Love haul. I love clothing from Stalk by Love. They are really cute and I'm gonna dress up and show you what they look like on me. So I think we should start now. And 1, 2, 3. I'm really excited for this one. 4. I have 5 pieces from Stalk by Love. I'm gonna show you how they look on me. So what should I try first? I will try this one. Let's see. And look at the fabric. I hope you are able to see. Fabric is really nice and well suited for summers. I'm gonna wear it now and show you. Hi, so this is how my dress looks like and I really love it. So I had a dress similar to this when I was a kid, and this dress reminds me of my little self and I really love it. It's so cute, it's so girly. It also has this zipper over here so that you can wear it comfortably. I should add a belt. It will just enhance the look of this dress. So I have a belt from Stalk by Love. This. So I will just add it and I'll show you how this looks. So I'm back and now this dress looks even prettier. So you can get this back. So you can get this belt and this dress from Stalk by Love. I'll put the link down in the description box below. I just don't want to wear anything else now, but I will have to, so that I can show you how other stuff looks on me. Really cute, love it. I have this, I guess it's a pant. So it's a wide leg pant. It's really wide. You also have a belt over here. So this is the back part of the pant. It looks like this. I'm wearing this wide-legged pant now. I was really doubtful about it, but it's really looking nice and classy. And I'm wearing this tank top over it, which is complementing it. I love it. So the back looks like this. Nice. So finally, the piece that I'm really excited about. It's a top. It's really cute. I love the print. Okay. It was a tie on top when I saw in the picture. Alright, so this is the tie of the top. It's not at all ending. Oh god. So long. Oh god. It's really long. Oh my god. This is one tie. Then you have another one. I'm really excited to wear this one and see how it looks on me. Oh my god. Okay. You just tie a knot over here. This is how it looks like. So cute. Let me show you. So this is how it looks like on me. So cute. Look at the sleeves. The sleeves are really fluffy, although wearing it is a task, but the end result is pretty good. So let's open this now. So I basically got this pant to create my own co-ord. So this is a jacket and it's the pant. You'll have to buy them separately. The color is really pretty. And the pant also has these tie up ribbons. Look at the fabric, it's pretty good. And then we have the last piece over here. It's the blazer. So this is the lining that you will get. It's a very soft material, and the fabric is again same as the pants. So let me wear this and I'll show you.
What we do here is go back.
So this is their website. You can go here and these are the sizes available. If you click on size guide, you can see all the details over here so that you can get your perfect size. And it's available in many sizes like 3XS, 2XS, XS, SML, so that you can be sure that you get your perfect size. And as you can see, the free exchange and returns can be done within 15 days, and in stock items can be delivered within 3 business days in metros, which is Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, etc. You can check it over there. And you can also click on the shop, the look tab, and you can shop all the items that the model is wearing, and it's perfectly matched by some designer so that you can be sure that you don't mismatch the items. And if you click on the details, you can get the details about the material and everything. Now if you click on shipping and returns, you will get all the information about shipping and shipping charges and the return policies. You have to click on delivery and returns link so that you can know about the return policy of Stalk by Love. So let's click on that. Now you can read all the details about the shipping and return policy. You can easily return your pieces within 15 days. As you can see, there is no pickup charges for the item that you want to exchange, and the refund amount will be credited back to your Stalk by Love account as a voucher or credit point, and you can use it for your future shopping. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really enjoyed filming this video and unpacking these pieces from Stalk by Love, trying it on and just showing you guys how it looks on me. So it was really fun and cool. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that we can stay connected, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.